We're going to compare fractions, decimals, and percents. Question 10 says, which is greater, 48 hundredths or 49%? Well, an important part of comparing fractions, decimals, and percents is to, when you're looking at different formats, in this case, decimal versus a percent, it's easiest to put them in the same format. So we're going to do that. So we can convert this decimal, 48 hundredths, into a percent by multiplying it by 100. So 48 hundredths times 100 essentially moves our decimal point 2 spots to the right. So we end up getting 48%. So 48 hundredths equals 48%. Now we're comparing 48% to 49%, and we know that 49% is greater. Therefore, we can conclude that 49% is greater than 48 hundredths. On our second example, number 12, it says, which is greater, 2/5 or 60%? In this case, I think it is easiest to convert 2/5 into a percent. So we know 2/5. We know that percents are out of 100. So our denominator is 100, or out of 100%. And we ask ourselves, how do we get from 5 to 100? Well, we multiply by 20. So 5 times 20 equals 100. And we do the same thing to the numerator. 2 times 20 and 2 times 20 gives us 40. And 40 over 100 equals 40%. So 2/5 is equivalent to 40%. And 40% is less than 60%. So we can conclude that 2/5 is less than 60%. Thank you for taking time to watch this video on comparing fractions, decimals, and percents.